Well, good morning to you. I'm meteorologist Caroline Carithers with the News 5 First Alert Storm Team here with your Joe Cain Day forecast update here. We're going to walk you through what you can expect over the next several days. Of course, we've got Joe Cain Day, we've got Lundi Gras, and then we have Fat Tuesday. We're going to go over all of the forecast for you there. Let's start with what we're seeing out there so far this morning. Dauphin Island Sea Lab, this is our Eastern Shore Toyota cam. Seeing a little bit of fog out there. It's not so much that it's going to impact your drive for the most part, but don't be surprised if you run up on just some patchy pockets of fog here and there. Just be careful on the roadways if you are heading out this morning. Now, as far as Mardi Gras goes, of course, that's on everybody's mind, right? Especially with today being Joe Cain Day. We got lots of parades ongoing throughout the day today, and we are going to see some showers this morning, more showers and storms this afternoon, and then even more storms moving into the overnight and early on your Monday. But looking at parades today for your Joe Cain Day, we'll start in Baldwin County. We've got the Fort Morgan Parade. We also have the Loyal Order of the Fire Truck over in Daphne today, and temperatures are going to be in the 60s. We'll see hit or miss showers and storms moving into the afternoon, so it's just something that you're going to have to bring your rain gear to. You are going to have to keep an eye on the radar and have multiple ways to get warnings as well. Over in Mobile County, it's pretty much the same story. Of course, we've got the Alba Temple Motorcade, we've got the Joe Cain Procession, and we have the La Cruz de Bienville moving into tonight, and temperatures are going to be in the 60s, close to 70. It's going to be warm, it's going to be muggy, and then as we move into the afternoon, rain chances are going to continue to increase, and it's difficult because it's not a solid sheet of rain, it's not a solid line moving through. What it is scattered storms here and there, so it's something that we are all going to have to keep an eye on and keep you updated on as we move through the afternoon and evening. So let's kind of plan out some of these forecasts here, the forecast model as far as the waves of rain go. So looking at the News 5 predictor here is clouds and rain. We are looking at a couple of showers and storms moving into this morning. These will likely not be severe. These will likely just be pockets of heavy rain, maybe some thunder and lightning mixed in as well. But after lunch, we could start to see things heat up just a little bit. More thunderstorms possible, and we just can't rule out a strong storm or two moving into the afternoon and into the early evening hours. But the good news is by around 6, 7 o'clock, we get a brief break through around 5, 6, 7 o'clock to around midnight and into 2 a.m. So that part of time, it does look to be pretty quiet with just a couple of showers around. But moving into early tomorrow morning, this is 3, 4 a.m., we're going to start to see the actual cold front move through, and that is going to bring another swath of showers and thunderstorms. These could be severe as well with lightning, thunder, gusty winds. Can't rule out a brief tornado and some hail too. This is Lundi Gras, of course, so just be sure that you plan accordingly. It is going to be a wet morning, and then as we move into the afternoon hours, we're going to start to see things clear out a little bit, and then by the time we get to around 3 p.m., dry, and we could start to see a little bit of sunshine peek through as well, just in time for Fat Tuesday. As far as the severe weather threat goes, level 2 of 5 for this afternoon, especially north and west of I-65, where we saw those scattered showers and storms start to pop up there. The threats, damaging winds, hail, can't rule out a brief tornado too. And then moving into the overnight hours and into early Monday morning for Lundi Gras, everyone is under that level 2 of 5 risk. Same threats in place, damaging winds, hail, and a brief tornado possible. So what do you need to do? You have got to be sure that you keep an eye on the radar. If you are heading out to parades or anything outdoors, you have to be sure you have multiple ways to get warnings. You have to have a plan in place as well, because we are looking at a severe weather threat that you've got to take seriously. Even though it is a bit of a conditional threat, things have to really come together for this threat to materialize, but the chance is not zero, so you've got to prepare for that as well moving throughout the day today and into tomorrow too. But I'll end on the good note here. We've got our Fat Tuesday forecast. It will be dry, which is good news. We are looking at temperatures in the 40s and 50s moving into the day. It's also going to be breezy, but it's going to be dry. We're going to see some sunshine out there as well, so it should be a pretty good Fat Tuesday for us. Over the next 7 days, like I said, we are looking at rain chances this afternoon, evening, overnight, and into Monday. Tuesday looks good. Wednesday for Valentine's Day looks good as well. Our next batch of rain does come Friday and into the weekend.